How to assemble IKEA Mammut Kids Chair.
Take the cap and the leg. Watch carefully on them, and you will see where they're supposed to fit in. Put the cap on the leg. Press or hit it hard to enter properly. Take the leg of the chair and watch it closely where it's supposed to fit properly. Put it inside. Push it inside hard to sit properly. Watch carefully at the middle hole in the seat where you will put in the splat. Also watch the middle splat, and you see where it's supposed to fit in the seat. Fit the back to the seat. Hit it at the top to fix in properly. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.